Hello everyone, I'm Gunjan and you are tuned into 540th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest burst from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with some exciting news from Outlook Money. As more Indian students head overseas for higher education, choosing the right insurance plan becomes crucial, not just for medical emergencies, but for overall peace of mind. While many universities mandate global insurance, these plans often come with limited regional coverage and exclude key protections like baggage loss or non medical emergencies. Indian Student Travel Insurance Plan, on the other hand, offer broader coverage across multiple countries, including those students may visit during holidays or internships. They also typically include benefits like coverage for pre-existing conditions and high-risk activities, features that are often missing from university-provided plans. Our very own Amarnath Saxena, Chief Technical Officer Commercial at Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, highlights the cost advantage. University insurance are almost 15 times more costly than Indian plans. This makes Indian insurance option not only more comprehensive but also significantly more affordable, an important consideration for students and families managing international education expenses. Up next, we spotlight a recent report from Outlook Money which highlights that as India transitions to E20 fuel petrol blended with 20% ethanol, vehicle owners need to be cautious. Using E20 in non-compatible vehicles can lead to corrosion, damage to rubber seals, and increased maintenance cost. More importantly, from an insurance standpoint, this could affect your motor claim. If insurer can prove that damage was caused by using fuel not recommended by the manufacturer, claims may be reduced or even rejected. Our very own Subhashis Muzamdar, Head of Motor Distribution at Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, adds a crucial point. Not only older cars but also newer ones should have fuel adulteration cover in addition to the existing add-on covers. This protects against engine and component damage from contaminated or adulterated fuel as increasingly relevant risk as fuel compositions evolve. Our next update from the Hindu business line highlights that ICICI Lombard General Insurance has partnered with Mahindra Finance to distribute motor insurance products across India. The move is part of broader industry effort to deepen insurance penetration, especially in semi-urban and rural areas. Through this tie-up, Mahindra Finance customer base spread across over villages and towns will gain access to ICICI Lombard Motors insurance offering. Our final story today from the Economic Times highlights that in a notable shift, NRI are increasingly turning to Indian insurer for term life insurance, with purchase doubling with financial year 2022 and financial year 2026. This surge is driven by competitive premiums, long-term policy options, and rupee-denominated benefits that help safeguard families and financial commitments back home. Nearly 60% of these purchases with salaried professionals and business owners leading the trend. Interestingly, the report highlights that nearly 80% of NRI buyers prefer monthly premium structures, though there is a growing interest in single premium policies where some buyers opt for 30 to 40 years of coverage upfront. Female participation is rising too, now making up 15% of NRI term insurance buyers. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found this news update helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you such more insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.